Good morning everyone. Today we will conduct that experiment compression and shear test by using that universal sand testing machines. So now I would like to give that brief introduction about this experiment. The casting sand should be tested for both compression strength and shear strength, as it has to withstand that load which occurs during that pouring of that molten metal into that mold cavity, which otherwise the mold cavity may get damaged due to the forces. It means that compression and shear. That compression and shear strength of the casting sand may depends on several factors. It is like clay content, grain size, moisture and other additives, and also that method of preparing that specimen. Here we can observe that here we have that two specimen holders. Now what I am showing, this is for shear, to conducting the shear strength. You can observe these two are, it should be in that opposite side, and this is for compression test. It is a fully plain. Now I would like to give that brief procedure of this experiment. So already we have discussed in the previous experiments in permeability test and hardness test. Similarly, we need to prepare the specimen for that compression test also. After preparing that specimen, we need to remove that specimen in that tube by slowly rotating that tube. After removing that specimen, we need to keep it into that universal sand testing device. Then we need to continuously rotating that hand wheel of the machine with the needle. When the specimen collapses, the black needle returns while the red pointer remains at that pointer on the scale reading where the specimen collapsed. Take minimum 3 readings with a different water level. So water for 10 ml, 50 ml and 20 ml of water for various percentage of the moisture content, and take that average. Then we need to plot the graph of the compression strength versus moisture content in that specimen. Already we have rammed that sand. We need to remove it slowly in that tube, slowly rotating that. So this is that specimen prepared. Then we need to keep it in that universal sand testing device. Slowly we need to rotate that handle. Already we applied that load. It starts collapsing. When it starts collapsing, we need to take that. You can observe that reading here. Here that first red color, it is for the compression test, and for then that black color needle, it is for shear strength. For we have taken this for, now we have done that compression test. We need to take that red color reading. It is showing that 1.9 it is showing. We got that reading for 10 ml of water. The compression strength, that reading, it was 1.9 gram per centimeter square. Similarly, we need to do it for that next two trials for 15 ml and 20 ml. Then we need to draw that graph. You can observe already we have taken that reading 10 ml, 15 ml. It is 1.9, 1.8 and 1.7. You can observe that when the water level is more, that strength is getting decreases. Then we need to draw that graph. We need to draw that graph, water content and strength. You can observe that strength is getting decreases when the water level is getting, that strength is getting decreases when the water content is increasing. Thank you.